Hello folks, Nick Ruiz here at Paul Sherry Conversion Vans here in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Toyota Sienna with a VMI North Star conversion package on it with a side entry. This is stock number CP17004T. Now this is a hybrid, brand new. It's got the exterior color is called Blueprint. The graphite cloth interior. It's 2023 brand new. It's got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder in it. Of course, the electric motor mixed in makes a hybrid. Got some beautiful painted chrome wheels here and tires on it. These look to be 17s. Of course, they're brand new. Excuse the phone call. Get the interior here. Power drivers. Of course, this has a lowered floor in it for this VMI North Star side entry conversion on it. You've got a sofa in the rear, seats 3. Of course, the front 2 seats. So you got 5 plus a chair. Large touchscreen radio in it. It is nav capable. Cruise control, power windows, locks, mirrors. Now, this van also has power kneeling and a power ramp. Of course, here are the on and off buttons to turn the power on and off to each one of those. Power side doors. Now here we go. This is the lowered floor with the hard composite rubber flooring in it, so it's not real easy to slide and slip around. It's textured. Now the driver's seat and the passenger seat are both power and they are removable. So you take them out, drive from your chair or what have you, and vice versa. Now this is an LE Toyota Sienna, all-wheel drive. Here's your LE, your hybrid logo, your all-wheel drive. Now along with this conversion, you've got 4 Q strings here, hold the chair down. This is another goodie package. It's actually got a console that could be added in there somewhere. And now these seats right here on this rear bench, or rear couch, rear bench it is, they are, they'll lay down like that flat or recline. You do have a rear shoulder harness for the person in the middle as well. Good looking vehicle. At the side sensors, detecting, you know, something next to you, so you don't deploy that lift into it, what have you. Running boards here in the front. Now on the key, it is a VMI, so you've got buttons inside that will deploy that lift after it opens the door, or you do it with the key fob here. It says press and hold. Let go of it once the operation starts. And the van begins to kneel as well. Takes the steepness off the ramp here. Pretty low to the ground. There you have it. Plenty of room in here, even for a large wheelchair, scooter, what have you. Again, these 2 seats are removable. here you have it, folks. 2023 Toyota Sienna. All-wheel drive. Brand new. With a VMI North Star conversion. Here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.